All right, my name is Trevor Wagoner. I am the Sustainability Product Manager with Astec Industries, and I'm excited to be launching this product at World of Asphalt. This is the ReMix CCPR plant. So when we talk about CCPR, the first question that comes up is, what is CCPR? So CCPR stands for Cold Central Plant Recycle, and the name is a really good description of what the product is. So as you can see on the plant, we are not heating our material at all. So it's a material that's produced at ambient temperatures. It's recycle. So most of the mix designs that we've seen so far are with 95, 96, 97% recycled asphalt pavement or RAP. So a very, very promising product with a lot of big sustainability benefits because of that recycled content. So what does a producer use CCPR for? CCPR is a hybrid black base. So it is used as a base or binder course in a pavement structure. It is not necessarily a new technology. NCAT, the National Center for Asphalt Testing, has been researching this material for over a decade and seen really, really incredible results from CCPR. We also have some producers along the eastern seaboard, states like Virginia, that have been producing CCPR and using it in high volume roadways, actual interstate paving jobs where they are laying CCPR. The benefits of CCPR from a structural standpoint, it helps with crack propagation. It's an incredibly resilient material. When it's used in that base or binder layer, cracks don't propagate from the bottom up or from the top down, and you have a really strong, robust pavement design. From the producer's perspective, it's made with mostly recycled material, especially if you're a producer that owns a lot of RAP, or you're sitting on a multi-million ton RAP stockpile and you don't know what to use it for. If your state is restrictive of the amount of recycled material that you can put into your hot mix, you can use your RAP in CCPR. So it's a very cost-effective way for producers to use a material that they already have access to. One of the big things that we're hoping to see as a result of a plant like the ReMix CCPR plant is the ability to use CCPR for more projects in more ways. So for example, a large commercial a large commercial parking lot. Typically the base of a parking lot is going to be an aggregate base. What we hope that producers can do is they can use CCPR as a material to bid competitively against that aggregate base. That brings in more parts of the job to the hot mix producer. From a sustainability side, it's produced at ambient temperatures with mostly recycled material. Compared to a similar hot mix asphalt, you're looking at 92 to 93% less energy cost or carbon footprint compared to a similar hot mix structure. So for those three big reasons, the structural benefits, the benefits for the producer, the sustainability benefits, CCPR is a really, really attractive material, and we think that the ReMix plant is going to be a very strategic tool for producers to use going into the future of this material. So what makes the ReMix CCPR plant different? First and foremost is production rate. We have a nominal production rate of 300 tons per hour on this plant. As we've talked to producers that have used CCPR, that's really a sweet spot for them. That gives them the flexibility to produce as much or as little CCPR as they need, depending on the jobs that are calling for. Another big thing that comes with that 300 ton per hour production rate are the two 14-foot by 7-foot feed bins. These are actually an optional feature for the plant. One of the things that our engineering teams did as they developed this is they made it a modular solution. So when a producer is speccing out a CCPR plant, they are only required to buy exactly the equipment that they need to make the material. So if they already have RAP bins, maybe they want to plug in the CCPR plant as a module for their hot mix plant. The plant is modular, and it is scalable to the solution that the producer needs. So two big RAP bins, those are an option. You can configure it with standalone RAP bins as well. Another thing that you'll see as you look around this plant is it's wide open. It's easy to maintain. It's easy to get to all of the different features of the plant. We've got a nice walkway with handrails for safety up to the pug mill itself. That gives you easy access to the spray bar, the foamed asphalt test nozzle, all of the different moving parts, especially around the pug mill. We wanted this to be as easy to access as possible. I mentioned foamed asphalt. This plant is compatible with mix designs that call for either foamed asphalt or emulsified asphalt, so two different base level options for the plant. Some of the other options that you'll see, we've got a compressor. We also have an optional liquid asphalt metering package that's available as a part of this core load of the plant. The rat bins I mentioned as well, those are one of the big optional features. You can configure it with those two 14-foot bins or with a standalone set of rat bins. So we're really excited to be launching this new product. The Astec ReMix CCPR plant is available now. We've got a great website put together, so go there for more information. Also, feel free to reach out to your Astec sales representative, and we'd be happy to get in touch with you and help put this together.